Yeah. Bonjour et bienvenue, participants. Are you able to hear me?
Sir.
Yes,
Bonjour.
sir.
Great,
Yes,
great,
yes.
Yes,
great,
yes.
great.
Walaikum salam, bhai. Yes, we can hear you.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah. Let me pin it down and put it over here. Okay.
सही तलफ्फुज क्या है सर?
किसका?
ये जो अभी स्क्रीन पे है
ये bonjour,
बोंजोरे
bonjour et bienvenue. Okay. I think yesterday we discussed. I mean, the day before yesterday, in the previous class. Okay. Okay. Thanks for joining. Mercy, is it audible? Shall I go ahead? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are
Yes.
audible.
Great. Maxi,
Yes.
Maxi. Okay. One more thing I did not mention here when we discussed last time that in this R we need to make KH sound, but we always concentrated and focused on the this one, the what do you call tray, okay, tray, and it will come in the next slide. I have to focus into that area also. Okay, revision of the previous class. Can anybody read this? Yeah, please, faster.
Les mois de l'année au France.
En français, en français, français,
Au français.
en
Au
français,
français.
en français. Okay,
Les
okay.
mois,
Everybody, please, faster.
les mois de l'année.
Les mots de l'année.
Janvier. Les mois de l'année.
Janvier,
Janvier.
Janvier,
Janvier.
John G.
Janvier. Okay,
Janvier.
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 Yeah. Shall I go to the next slide? Okay, still participants coming in.
Hello, sir. There are some children in Nikhil.
John G.
Janvier, Janvier,
Janvier.
Janvier, Okay.
John G.
Next, février,
February.
February.
Mars, avril, mai, juillet, août, septembre, R is silent. R is almost silent. September. Yeah, and that ha sound has that ha sound has to be not overshadowing. Okay, October. Okay, the participants who came late, for them I'm going back. Okay, still coming.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Okay, les mois de l'année en français. Les mois de l'année en français. Okay.
Fan is a Phaltana, bhai. Fan.
Yeah,
Phaltana.
Mike. Personal talk, Mike. Please take care of Mike. I think Mr. Ali Imran.
Yeah. Sorry, sir.
No issues. Okay, but please take care of that, okay? Because we are able to hear your personal talk. Okay, now, newcomers, please participate. Who just came? Only just, who came just now?
Me. Yes.
Yeah, new participants.
Gia.
Juanji.
Georgie.
Yeah,
Georgie.
this is the pronunciation. I is anybody coming for the first day today? कोई है जो यहाँ पर
Yes.
पहली?
Me.
Okay, who's that?
Yes, I'm also.
Okay,
This
two.
is my first day.
Okay, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who is the? Okay, Kiran Mai Nalkari. Okay, fine. Welcome, Kiran. Bushra, welcome. And who's the another one? Faria, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah. And Shabaz Sheikh. Okay. First day. Yeah, first day. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Very
Yes.
good. Yeah.
First
we
day.
have more. Yeah. We have more. Okay. Fine. People from second day. Okay, who were present the previous class, please participate. Okay, only those who were present in the previous class. Okay, Juanji.
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 Juanji. Juanji. Yeah, please low. Please.
Juanji.
Yeah. Okay, February. Okay, this. Okay, for the participants who have come for the first day, this is the pronunciation, and in this nothing is silent. In this nothing is silent. This is the French spelling, and this is the English text. Okay, this is the English. This is the English text, and this is the French spelling, and this is the pronunciation, specially made for the Indian subcontinent audience. Okay, now. Yeah. Fine. So Jean-G. Okay. February. Marks. No. And R is there, but marks. Okay. Marks. Okay. Afqil. Okay.
You are not showing the slide. Slide
okay.
is not coming.
You paused. No. Okay. One sec. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since when you were not able to see? Since when you were not able to see?
Yes,
After January it stopped.
Okay. Now. Okay.
Jonesy.
Okay.
Jonesy.
Okay. February. March. April. May. Juin. Juin,
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 juillet, juillet,
Juillet,
juillet,
Juillet,
juillet,
Juillet,
juillet,
Juillet,
août,
Juillet,
août, August.
Août,
Okay,
Août.
what you guys are doing? Are you only seeing to this and reading? I mean, pronouncing it.
No,
Read,
sir, we are noting down also.
yeah, note it down and no, but also keep your eyes over here.
Looking at the French
Okay,
word.
yeah, keep your eyes over here and say
Yeah.
oud, say oud. Okay, so okay, so that you should, yeah, this should fit into embedded in your mind. Okay, not this one. This is for your help. This is nowhere official. This is only for the our comfort.
Oud.
Okay, oud.
Okay.
Okay, oud. September, September,
September,
September,
September,
September,
September.
September,
September.
September, September, October,
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 October.
October,
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 November,
October,
November,
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 December, December,
December,
December,
December,
December, December, December, December, December, December,
December,
December. Now, this is a word which we have always been saying in the class, but we did not, it was not taught to you. Now, this is where it is being taught to you. In the same way, the bonjour et bienvenue will be taught to you. It comes as a welcome slide, okay? And thank you will come as a Thanksgiving slide. But the word is not being taught to you because it comes at a proper place. Now, here we are going to learn the word which we have always been saying, but it was never taught to you. Now today you're going to learn Maxi, Maxi. But here we have to say small, okay, Maxi, 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 which means it can say thank you as well as thanks. There is no separate word for you over here in this case. When you comes in a sentence, there is a word for that. Okay, but when it comes with thank you, there is no separate word for you. Okay, Maxi, write it down, please. This is a new slide.
Moxie.
Maxi,
Write it down, please.
Maxi.
I request you guys to make a note of the slides because I am really insisting for only one reason. The videos are available on the YouTube, but still you will not get the chance to write because the exam involves the writing part. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, we learned what is Maxi. Now say this, what is in French?
Oui, merci, c'est delicia.
C'est délicieux. C'est délicieux.
Oui, Maxi,
Oui,
c'est
Maxi.
délicieux.
Oui, Maxi. Oui, Maxi. C'est délicieux. Oui, Maxi.
Oui,
C'est
merci,
délicieux.
c'est
Oui,
delicia.
Maxi,
C'est délicieux. C'est délicieux. Okay? Oui, Maxi. C'est délicieux. Oui, Maxi. C'est délicieux. Yeah, fine. This, what is this? What is this?
Oui, c'est pour moi. Merci.
Oui, c'est pour moi,
Oui,
merci.
Oui, c'est pour moi. Merci.
Oui, c'est pour moi.
Pour moi, merci.
Make it note. Oui, c'est pour moi. Maxi. Maxi.
oui, c'est
जरूरी है प्रैक्टिस करना तो नहीं आता प्रैक्टिस करना जरूरी है
merci.
Oui, c'est pour moi.
Try to speak in English. If at all anybody can't speak in English, only they are allowed to speak in Urdu. but for Urdu speaking audience, I will have to start another class. उर्दू जानने वालों के लिए फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज में फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज की क्लास के लिए एक अलग से क्लास स्टार्ट करूंगा, और इंग्लिश सिखाने के लिए भी ये उर्दू में जो बात कर रहे हैं, कई लोग पिछले दिनों से पूछ रहे थे कि उर्दू में इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की क्लास शुरू कीजिए, तो उन लोगों के लिए शुरू होगी इंशाल्लाह अनकरीब, बहुत जल्द। और वी वांटेड टू सेटल डाउन फर्स्ट, ओके, एंड इंशाल्लाह विल स्टार्ट दैट, बहुत जल्दी शुरू होगा। And we'll take a small assessment for you guys, and whoever comes in whichever bracket of the skill, जहां पर भी आपकी लैंग्वेज की स्किल है वहां से आप लोगों को ले करके आगे लेके जाया जाएगा। फिर एक क्लाइम अप होने के बाद, एक लेवल स्किल अप होने के बाद में, अपस्किल होने के बाद में, देन आपको सेकेंड लेवल के उसमें डाला जाएगा। वहां से आपको इंग्लिश से इंग्लिश सिखाई जाएगी। शुरुआत में उर्दू टू इंग्लिश और हिंदी टू इंग्लिश। Anybody from Telugu background or Telugu medium also, then చెప్పగలను. Okay, I'll then నాకు మాట్లాడడం వచ్చి వచ్చు అనుకో తెలుగులో కొంచెం. ఓకే, బాగా రాదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాగా మాట్లాడతాను కానీ అలవాటు లేదు కదా, మన వాళ్ళు లేరు కదా దగ్గరికి, అందుకోసం. హైదరాబాద్ మల్లాపల్లి పుట్టిన ప్లేసు. ఇక్కడ బీదర్లో చదివేప్పుడు మన తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు తెలుగు మీడియంలో, వాళ్ళు నాకు తెలుగు నేర్పించారు, నేను వాళ్ళని ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్పించాను డ్యూరింగ్ ద కాలేజ్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, एंड लेट्स कम बैक टू द क्लास एंड दैट ओके। जो क्लास इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की है, जिसको इंग्लिश से इंग्लिश सिखाए भी तो समझ में नहीं आएगा, వాళ్ళ కోసం उनके लिए उर्दू वाला मातृभाषालो उर्दू या मातृभाषा से इंग्लिश सिखाई जाएगी। फिर एक लेवल ले जाने के बाद में ఒక్క लेवल పైకి తీసుకుపోయిన తర్వాత అక్కడ నుంచి నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మొదలు పెడతాను మళ్ళీ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్స్ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ, శుక్రియా. ఓకే, yes, it's for me, everybody. I hope this is noted right by now. There is new word now. We are going faster today. Okay, toujours. See here, once, just catch it once. Okay, ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, एक बार यहाँ देखिए and say toujours. Okay, and then say toujours. No, not jo. Toujours. And as I said, this is a consonant and S is silent. I'm not going to mention this again and again. What are consonants? What are consonants in French? What are the consonants in French? Please.
Careful.
Yeah, C-R-F-L. C-R-F-L. Thanks.
Careful. C-R-F-L.
Merci beaucoup. Très bon. Okay, fine. Okay, toujours. Okay. తెలుగు వాళ్ళ కోసం చెప్తున్నానండి, ఇక్కడ ఏది రాస్తున్నది, ఏది ఒక అక్షర కూడా సైలెంట్ లేదు, ఇది ప్రొనౌన్సిएशन మీ అర్థం కావడానికి। उर्दू आने वाले यहाँ पर सुन लीजिए कि यहाँ पर जो भी लिखा हुआ है इसको एज इट इज पढ़िए, क्योंकि इसमें से कोई भी चीज साइलेंट नहीं है। ओके, ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन मैंने लिखा है आपकी मदद के लिए, मी हेल्प కోసం నేను రాశానండి। ఓకే, ఇది pronunciation. This is not official spelling. Okay, official spelling is this one of French language, and the meaning of toujours is what? Toujours is what? Always. Now you're going to use the same in the previous sentences, the new word always, mercy, these two words we are going to use. Okay, great. Shall I move on? Oui.
Yes, sir.
Oui, sir. It is always extraordinary here. It is always extraordinary here. Très bon is very beautiful. Very good. Très bon is very good. Telugu and newcomers, you'll get to know from the YouTube video, no issues. Okay, it is always extraordinary here. C'est toujours extraordinaire.
toujours
C'est extraordinaire. C'est toujours extraordinaire ici.
Ici.
C'est toujours extraordinaire ici.
Extraordinary.
And S is silent. Toujours. Toujours.
C'est
Okay, what is the
toujours extraordinaire ici.
okay? What is the spelling? What is the pronunciation? Toujours.
c'est
Toujours.
toujours
Parfait. Toujours.
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 C'est toujours.
toujours
C'est toujours
C'est
extraordinaire ici. Extraordinaire ici.
c'est toujours
extraordinaire.
Okay, come on, repeat.
C'est toujours,
Repeat 5, 6 times. 5, 6 times. Repeat.
C'est toujours extraordinaire.
C'est toujours
C'est toujours
extraordinaire ici.
Extraordinaire.
C'est toujours extraordinaire
C'est
ici.
toujours extraordinaire.
Enough. Enough.
Extraordinary.
I'm saying it for the I'm saying it for the first time because the sound was overlapping. C'est toujours
C'est
extraordinaire.
toujours
Extraordinaire ici. No, Mr. Ali, please, Mr. Ali. Sorry. I'll ask you to speak. Okay, c'est toujours extraordinaire ici. Okay, extraordinaire ici. Now, it isn't always very good here.
Ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici.
Great, mashallah, very good. Okay, ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici. Ce n'est pas toujours très beau ici.
Ce n'est pas
Ce n'est pas toujours très beau
n'est
ici.
pas toujours
Ce
très bon ici.
n'est pas toujours très beau ici.
Ce n'est pas toujours
Ce n'est pas toujours
très bon.
très bon ici. Très bon ici. Très bon ici. Okay. Ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici.
Très bon
Ici.
Très bon ici.
Done.
Yes. Oui.
Ce n'est pas.
oui.
Oui.
Oui. Ce n'est pas toujours. Ce n'est pas toujours.
Ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici.
Great. Now, somebody who has said ce n'est pas, maybe first time or second time. Let me tell you, now we are in the 7th class today. Today is 7th class. So now I would like you to go faster. Okay, ce n'est pas. Okay, ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici. Très bon ici. Ce n'est
Très
pas
beau ici.
Toujours très
Yeah.
bon ici.
Can you please,
N'est
Shall
pas
I?
toujours très
How
bon
we
ici.
pronounce the previous?
N'est pas.
Mr. Khaja Hassan, you came very late. We have done the revision, and whoever ever has come late, Abu Abdullah again.
Pas toujours. Toujours is always.
Abu Abdullah,
Toujours.
welcome Abu Abdullah, Mr. Khaja Hassan, welcome. But what? Please, you guys missed the revision. Okay, now you guys missed the revision. I cannot go back because I have been twice during today. Okay, now Snepa.
I was there from the beginning.
No, two participants. And I did not call your name.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau
Okay.
ici.
Pour moi, c'est
Pour
toujours
moi, c'est toujours
ici.
beau ici.
Boise.
toujours
Say, okay, again, others.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau
C'est
ici.
Pour
pour
moi,
moi, c'est toujours
Moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Okay.
Pour moi, c'est toujours
toujours
beau ici.
Yeah. Now, pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici. Toujours beau ici. Toujours beau ici.
Beau ici. Pour moi.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Okay.
Pour moi, c'est toujours
Pour
beau
moi,
ici.
c'est toujours beau ici.
Pour moi,
c'est
c'est
toujours
toujours
beau
beau
ici.
ici.
Poma,
Is
Pour
Poma,
moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Pour
Pour
moi,
moi, c'est
Poma,
toujours beau
c'est
ici.
toujours boy.
toujours c'est beau ici.
C'est toujours
C'est
beau
C'est
toujours
boy
beau
ici.
ici.
Pour
Ok.
moi,
Poma, c'est toujours
beau
boy
ici.
ici.
Beau
Pour
ici.
moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Poma, c'est toujours boy.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau
beau
ici.
ici. Pour moi,
Okay.
c'est toujours beau ici.
Farhan Sayyed Ahmed, please speak. Farhan.
C'est toujours beau ici.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Beau ici.
Okay.
Pour
And
moi, c'est beau ici.
okay. And okay. Khaja Hassan, you came late, right? Okay, raise the hand.
Okay.
Khaja Hassan.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you have any question or you want to repeat?
Can I repeat?
Yeah, please go ahead. Then next Farheen. Farheen, I believe next. Okay. Okay. Khaja Hassan. Yeah.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Toujours. It is toujours. Okay. Again, I will go just for once. Okay. This one. This is the new word that we learned today. Okay. And toujours. Okay. The pronunciation is toujours. Okay. Now next. Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici. Beautiful here. Okay.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Yeah.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Yeah. Anybody else? Previous participants? Because I have to see the names now. Because I have to see the names and then call. Yeah. Is Menas there? Romana madam?
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
And yeah, please. Is Menas there today? Romana madam, you can. Or who is this? Yeah. Yeah. Who is this? Kalai Narayan.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, please.
Can you please repeat this CEST? How to
This one?
pronounce this?
I think today is your first class. Yeah, CEST. This is say. This is same as the say, SAY in English. SAY in English. The pronunciation, but the meaning is it is. Meaning is it is. Whenever you have that it is or it's, okay, you have to. It means that the translation of it is or it's is say, and how to pronounce this word in French? Say. The sound is same as the say word, SAY say word in English. Great.
Yeah.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
How about for it? Only for it, IT.
Little louder, please.
For IT, it.
Sorry,
For IT, it. For IT, it.
No. Discussions will take longer time. Discussions will take longer time because now whatever is there in the slide, please discuss that. We have been following this condition because see the class will have to complete the slides. Okay, what is here? Ask me about that because again, when you ask, if I answer you, then others will not be able to follow because there is a language problem. You can see that I'm trying to juggle around between the languages also. Thank you. And who is this? Noman Ahmed. Yeah, what do you would like to ask or say anything?
Can I repeat?
Sorry?
Can I repeat the slide?
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Sure, sir. Pour moi, c'est toujours bon ici.
Toujours beau ici. Beau ici. Not bon. Bon is good. Okay. Next. Yeah. Next slide. Yeah. It is always absolutely delicious. It is always absolutely delicious.
C'est toujours
absolument
délicieux.
Great. Très bon.
toujours absolument
délicieux. You guys are making me so happy that you guys are following it very well. And you are revising it as well. Très bon. Merci beaucoup.
Toujours.
Yeah.
Absolument.
Absolument. I think newcomer. Absolument. You can go on YouTube and see. Okay. As on today, my YouTube name is this, having this one. The name will change. Okay, I will have to do it, but it will take time. I wanted to do it little later, but I will do it. Okay, c'est toujours absolument délicieux. C'est toujours absolument. Okay, just now whoever read this at absolument, okay, absolument délicieux.
Absolument délicieux.
Délicieux.
Toujours absolument
Absolument délicieux.
C'est toujours absolument délicieux.
C'est toujours absolument délicieux. Fine. Shall I move on?
Toujours absolument délicieux.
C'est toujours.
absolument
One sec. Everybody, please. I request everybody to mute their mics. Okay. Whoever want to ask, raise the hand, please. Yeah. Let me say who is this. Neha. Yeah. Please tell me.
I wanted to repeat, sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
C'est toujours absolument délicieux.
C'est toujours. C'est toujours. I think you came late. Okay. Toujours. This is okay. Toujours. Toujours. Toujours.
Is it toujours?
Toujours. Okay. 1 minute.
Toujours.
1 minute.
Toujours
Yeah, here.
absolument.
This is the pronunciation. Toujours.
Toujours.
Toujours. Pronunciation is this. Spelling is this. The French word, and meaning of that is what? Always. And again, as we learned in the previous classes, that consonant letters are only 4, and this is not from that list. Okay, so this is silent. In certain cases, again, the conditions are so many that, like in as said, pour moi, but we are not saying pour moi, we are not saying pour moi, right? So why? Because the M is overshadowing the R. So in that cases, again, some superseding rule will come. Okay.
Yes.
C'est toujours extraordinaire ici.
C'est toujours extraordinaire ici.
Ici. Okay. Ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici.
C'est pas toujours.
No, tell me.
N'est pas toujours.
Okay, tell me without saying yeah.
N'est pas toujours. N'est pas toujours.
N'est pas toujours très bon.
N'est pas toujours très bon ici.
N'est pas toujours
Ce n'est pas
très bon ici.
yeah, ce n'est pas toujours très
Toujours
bon
pas
ici.
très bon ici.
Très bon ici.
Yeah,
Toujours très bon ici.
très bon ici. Fine. And
N'est pas toujours.
Ce n'est pas très bon.
Pas toujours très bon.
Pour moi, c'est
Pour moi, c'est toujours
pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Beau ici.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
c'est toujours beau ici.
Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Yeah. Okay.
Pour moi,
Next.
c'est toujours beau ici.
Beau ici. Fine.
Pour
And
moi, c'est toujours bon
okay,
ici.
this one. Okay, I think you have to write.
Absolument délicieux.
One second.
toujours.
I'm sorry.
Moi,
I'm sorry.
c'est
For my
Just write it down. Write it down. Write it down. I did not give you time to write it. Please write it down.
You have already finished.
pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici.
Pour moi, c'est toujours bon ici.
Yeah.
Pour moi, c'est toujours
Yeah. Done. Right. Yeah.
Yes.
C'est toujours
C'est toujours
Absolument délicieux.
absolument délicieux.
délicieux.
Absolument délicieux. Okay. I think we have.
C'est toujours absolument délicieux.
I think we did this right few minutes before.
Yes. Oui,
Okay.
oui.
Yeah, we did
Noted.
that already.
Noted.
Oui, oui, yes.
Non, sir.
Oui.
Please note it down. Please note it down. I don't have to say you. I don't have to remind you. Please. Please note it down.
C'est toujours absolument délicieux.
C'est toujours absolument délicieux.
Absolument
C'est toujours,
délicieux.
c'est toujours absolument délicieux. Come on, keep on saying. By the
C'est
time,
toujours absolument délicieux.
utilize this time that I'm giving you.
C'est
Yeah.
toujours absolument délicieux.
Slower, slower.
C'est toujours absolument
C'est
délicieux.
toujours absolument délicieux.
C'est toujours
C'est toujours absolument
Yeah,
délicieux.
yeah, yeah.
absolument délicieux.
C'est absolument, c'est toujours absolument délicieux.
délicieux.
C'est toujours absolument délicieux.
Okay. Now,
Délicieux.
perfect, perfect. New little word, which is again a perfect. Okay. Perfect,
Parfait.
parfait, parfait, parfait,
Parfait.
parfait, parfait.
Parfait.
Very,
Parfait.
all the words are very funny for us, right?
Parfait.
Parfait.
Parfait,
Parfait. Parfait.
parfait. Yes.
Parfait.
Parfait, parfait,
Parfait.
parfait,
Parfait.
Parfait.
parfait,
Parfait. Parfait.
Parfait.
Parfait.
Parfait.
Parfait.
Parfait.
Okay.
Parfait.
Noted,
Oui,
noted,
c'est
noted, noted.
Parfait.
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 Yes.
Parfait, 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 parfait,
Parfait.
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 Noted. Okay, noted.
Parfait.
Next. Okay, yes, it's
Parfait.
okay. Yes, it's absolutely perfect here. Thank you.
Oui, c'est absolument
Perfect.
parfait.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait.
Merci.
Parfait.
C'est absolument
Yes, it's
parfait.
absolutely
Oui,
perfect.
c'est
Thank you.
Absolument.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
C'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Oui, c'est
Merci.
absolument. Oui, c'est
Oui, c'est
absolument,
absolument parfait.
absolument
Merci.
parfait, parfait. Merci, merci. Okay, oui, c'est absolument
Merci.
parfait.
Merci.
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 Repeat and write. Repeat and write. You're getting time to repeat as well.
C'est
Absolument parfait.
absolument parfait.
Merci.
Absolument
Oui, c'est
parfait.
absolument
Okay.
parfait.
Oui, c'est
Merci.
absolument
Wait.
Parfait.
Quiet,
Merci.
quiet,
Merci.
quiet. Please, quiet. Okay.
Oui,
Let
c'est
me. No,
absolument
no. Excuse me. I said
parfait.
quiet.
Merci.
Listen. I said quiet. Okay. Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci. Oui, c'est absolument. Merci. Absolument parfait.
Oui, c'est
Parfait.
absolument
Merci.
parfait. Parfait.
Okay. Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci. Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci. Oui, c'est
Oui, c'est
absolument
absolument parfait.
parfait.
Merci.
Merci.
parfait. Merci.
Oui,
Oui,
c'est
c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Merci.
Yeah.
parfait. Merci.
Okay. Whoever would like to repeat, raise the hand so that we'll go to the next slide.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Oui,
Okay.
c'est
Farheen,
absolument
yeah,
parfait.
tell me.
Merci.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Okay, Neha Fatima.
Oui, c'est absolument
Absolument
parfait.
parfait.
Merci.
Merci.
Okay, Omar is one.
Oui, c'est absolument
Oui, c'est
parfait. Merci.
absolument parfait. Merci.
Mercy. Okay, Khaja Hassan. Mr.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Mercy. Because somebody has, if they have, okay, fine, no issues. Akram Mirza.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Mercy. Okay, Humaira Khan.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Okay. Okay,
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Mercy. Okay, and who is next?
Oui,
Shehbaz
oui,
Sheikh.
c'est
Shehbaz Sheikh.
absolument parfait.
Shehbaz Sheikh.
C'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Okay, Mohammad Junaid.
Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Finish. Enough. And Hasibuddin. No more new hands. Okay, just two. Hasibuddin, quicker, please. Sayyid Hasibuddin Qadri. Okay, next Kalai.
Say absolument parfait.
Unable to hear you. Very, very weak sound. Maybe you're
Google
far
say
from the mic.
absolument parfait maxi.
Parfait.
Who
Okay.
is say
Okay.
absolument
Okay.
parfait?
Okay. Finish.
Merci.
Enough. I'm muting all. Okay. And say next slide. Oh, finished. Okay. Next. We went faster. Thanks. And any questions? Any questions?
Sir, in this parfait pronunciation, you have
Again,
to
you want
pronounce
to
the
go?
KH.
Yes. This is the pronunciation. Pronunciation, nothing is silent. As I said, pronunciation is literal.
Parfait.
It is literal, means it is meaningful. And pronunciation, if I had to keep it silent, I will not include that alphabet in pronunciation.
No, I mean, I wanted to ask, should it be very prominent, like parfait?
No,
Or just like in a flow?
No, in us. No, it is. It has to be.
Okay.
Parfait.
Okay,
Parfait.
thank you, sir.
Parfait.
Merci.
Parfait. Is it clear? Parfait. Parfait. Parfait.
Yeah, parfait.
Yeah, but it is not like parfait, parfait, parfait. No, parfait, 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 parfait. Clear?
Parfait.
Parfait. Yeah. Anything else?
Parfait.
Anybody else? Yeah. Question minutes now.
Can you repeat for
Months
always?
of the year.
Which one? This one?
Always.
Months of the year.
Always.
Okay, 1 second. I'll keep that slide for you. Yeah, this is toujours, 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 toujours. Is it clear? Audible? Toujours. Clear? Toujours. 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 Je. This lower jaw has to be protruding outside. Je. That's like that. Okay. Toujours. When you, unless until you protrude this one, you are not getting the sound. If I say keeping my all the jaws together, I mean align. If I say toujours.
Toujours.
It can be toujours. It is toujours. It is not English J. It is J. Okay. Toujours. If I had no reason to make a sound for H along with the J, then I would not include in pronunciation. This is for you. Just read this and watch this spelling. Toujours. Now I'm not seeing the pronunciation. Toujours. Okay, so that when you see onto this spelling and say toujours, so this spelling has to get embedded in your mind. Toujours. Okay, toujours. Okay, toujours. Clear? Next question. If it's not clear,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
fine. Thank you, Maxi. Next,
Sir, what was the attendance link?
attendance.
Yeah, even yesterday they gave the
No.
link in the chat box.
That is once in a while, not every day.
Okay, sir.
I
Thank
have
you.
a doubt
Yeah, please.
that Lema
How can
Delano
I
and Francis.
Who is that? Raise the hand. Humera.
It's me, Humera.
Yeah, please raise the hand.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
month of
I can see so many mics open still.
yeah.
I'll
Yeah,
do one
month of
thing.
the
I will have
yeah.
to see here. I will have to allow participants to unmute themselves. If once your job is done, kindly mute yourself so that I will not force you. Please mute by yourself. Mute by yourself. Now, Humera, unmute and tell. Humera,
Yeah,
yeah,
sir.
please. Okay, others mute.
Month
Please.
of okay.
Yeah, please.
Month of the year in French, Lema Delano and Francisco.
Français.
That's a Francais. I'm unable to pronounce it. Francais.
See here.
Francais.
Français. Like FRAN. Like for example, FRANSAY. How do you say? Français.
Francais.
FRANSAY. Say Français. Now, and this is not the only form of this word. This is the word for French. But when you say I will have to explain so many things which I don't want to include, which
Okay.
will elaborate. It would take away time. Okay. But for
That's
now,
fine.
for this word in this form, Francais, this word will take different one more different spelling. But for this, exactly this is the spelling required for French. Okay. And how do you pronounce it? Francais, Francais,
France,
Francais,
France,
Francais,
France,
Francais,
France,
Francais,
France,
Francais,
France,
Francais. Fine.
France,
Finish.
France.
Then next.
Thank you.
Welcome. Next. Bienvenue. Next. Yes. Welcome. Bienvenue. Next. Raise your hand.
Month of the year, please.
Which one?
I could not note down as I have
I think
attended
no.
late.
Please, this
So
video
very
will be
late.
put it
I
on the
will.
uploaded on the YouTube, and you will be added to the group. If you are a newcomer today, you will be leave a text message to me on this number on WhatsApp. Save my number and leave a message. I'll add you to the group. There are two groups. Okay, one on WhatsApp, one on Telegram. You will have to install the Telegram, because in Telegram you will be seeing all that was discussed for the past 15 days, because we have initiated the process of taking this class maybe almost like 10 days or more maybe by now. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Anything else? Yeah, any other question? I think 5 minutes more. I was
Yes,
supposed to. Okay, now if shall we quickly do it again, because this will be much better. Okay, unmute and speak, everybody.
John G.
John G.
John G. John G. John G. John G. John G.
John G. John G.
Février.
February.
Février.
Mark.
March. April. May. Unmute and say Gie. Unmute and say Gie. Oot. Unmute and say Oot. Unmute and say Oot. September. Yeah, Mr. Ali Imran. Quiet, please. Ali Imran. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Only this June.
Everybody else, please be quiet. Okay. September. Mr. Ali Imran.
Yeah, only for June and July, its words are totally different.
Please note it down. You'll get used to it. Don't think that each
Yeah,
and every
yeah.
No, excuse me. Don't think that each and every word is going to cause you so much trouble in remembering the pronunciation. No, you remember from the day one until now, we have learned so many phrases. Language is easy. Even English is not easy. To ask any Telugu native speaker or a Telugu medium person, ask him to say any word. తెలుగులో చదువుతారు కదా మీరు, ఒక్క వర్డ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కరెక్ట్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే టఫ్ అనిపిస్తుంది इनिशियली, राइट? सो उर्दू वालों को पूछिए कोई इंग्लिश का कोई वर्ड बोलने के लिए टफ लगेगा. So please, okay, keep your heart bigger, be confident. You are going to find it easier. I'm sure in the 7th day you have learned so many phrases. Great. Next.
Okay.
Okay.
Mercy.
September. 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 Yeah, unmute. September.
September.
September. September. October. 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 Yeah, unmute. October.
October.
October. October. October. October. October. October. Ba. Somebody is saying October. No. October.
October.
Okay.
October.
November. 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 Yeah, repeat.
November. 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 November.
Okay, next. Yeah, next. December. 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 Maxi. 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 Okay. Yes, thank you. It's delicious. Oui, Maxi, c'est délicieux. Okay. Okay. Yes, it is for me. Thanks. Oui, c'est pour moi. Maxi. Okay. Toujours. 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 C'est toujours extraordinaire ici. C'est toujours extraordinaire ici. Ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici. Ce n'est pas toujours très bon ici. Okay. I think it's always beautiful here. Pour moi, c'est toujours beau ici. C'est beau ici. Okay. It's always absolutely delicious. C'est toujours absolument délicieux. Délicieux. Parfait. 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 Oui, c'est absolument parfait. Merci.
Absolument parfait. Merci.
Maxi.
Absolument parfait.
Maxi. Okay, last 1 minute. Last 1 more minute for finished. Okay, thank you. Maxi. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. Good night. Yeah, please. Afshan Amreen. Yeah, please. Yeah. Any question? No?
Excuse me.
Yeah, please raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Excuse me, sir.
Others want to
small
stay.
question.
They can stay or they can leave. If they want to leave, they can leave. But if you stay, you will learn from others' questions. Yeah. Please go ahead, Afshan.
Yes, sir. I have small doubt, sir. I'm unable to trace out the difference between born, good, and beautiful.
Okay. Are you on the first class today?
Good and beautiful. I'm unable to.
Are you?
This is my second class, sir.
Okay, no issues. Okay, this is
my second class.
Yeah, good is bon. Okay, nasal sound. Bon. N is not having any place over there. Bon. Okay. Bon. Bon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next one is bo. Bo. This is like khushbo. Afshan, Urdu, right?
Bo.
Okay. Your mother tongue is Urdu. So bo, khushbo.
Yeah.
Khushbo.
Hyderabad.
Same like bo.
Yes,
Khushbo.
yes.
Okay. And this is bo. This is bo, and that's it. That is bon. Bon. This is bo, and that is bon.
And bo. Okay.
Great. Next.
Bon. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome. Bienvenue.
Thank you so much.
Next. Any other question? Shall we end the class? Amir bhai, Asma, Romana madam, whoever is here.
Go ahead as per the if your time permits and the participants are willing, give another 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, that's up to
Inshallah.
them. That's up to them. That's up to them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any questions if you have, participants? Remaining 35. Okay. If you have any question, please feel free. Don't feel shy or don't fear. I'm still learning. I'm still learning so many new things in my life, and I'm revising so many things in my life. I'm 45 now, but still I'm learning. Okay. I would like you guys to be feel free and fearless. Yeah. Thank you.
For sir,
Yeah.
for me, and I think Pomo is only one pronunciation, no, sir, but the words are different.
I'm unable to hear you.
Why?
Mohammed Junaid?
Sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I think, and for me, is the pronunciation for Pomoa. Because two different words.
Pomoa.
Yeah.
Okay, Pomoa.
I think
You're talking about you're talking about what pronunciation? Asking about
yeah,
what?
there are two different words now. I think and for me.
Okay, yeah. When
I think and for me the same pronunciation.
I think when it comes only in the beginning, you should replace it with Pomoa. Okay, and when for me it comes anywhere here in between or at the end, Pomoa. And I think, in my opinion, okay, something like that. Okay, you have to say Pomoa. There are three. You have that in the slide, and go to the YouTube and see that, please. I'll share a video on the this one WhatsApp group. And newcomers, kindly WhatsApp me at this number so that I will add you to the group. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Bonne nuit. Good night.
Sir, reply for Mercy. Mercy
Huh?
in written. What should we
Mercy.
say?
Mercy is mercy.
The reply for Mercy.
Mercy is mercy. Welcome is okay. When I say mercy, if you want to say welcome, say bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Okay.
Bonne nuit.
Okay, thank you.
Bonne nuit.